A few common centerline questions I get on this one are how to obviously put them in, and it takes a few different tools here and a little bit of editing a style. So let's follow along on this one. So I'm going to start with just the regular centerline tool. And I know we're going to start with find the midpoint, go to the midpoint there, right click create. And I'll go to the next biggest one, I'll find the midpoint, click on that midpoint, right click create, midpoint, midpoint, right click create. Now I notice it didn't break, I'll come back to that, but I'll go ahead and insert the other side as well. Right click create, and I'll go ahead and try it on the very top with the regular centerline still. Click that, and whoa, right away I notice something's goofy. Well, this is kind of an arc shape, so it's trying to find the center point of this arc, so that's not going to work. So I hit escape a few times. I'm going to try the one next to that, the centerline bisector tool, because then what I can do is click on this line, not the dots, but the line, and then the other line, and there we go. Just repeat on the other side, line, line, and escape or cancel. So they're pretty simple, straightforward to get them all in. Now this line and the other one on the other side are a little bit off on their style. We don't have a break in them. So what I'm going to do is right click on one of them, edit the center mark style. And in this scenario, we're looking at the lower example down here. So I'm going to adjust the D or the delta a little bit so that if that dash is a little bit shorter, then I think I'll get breaks. So let's try changing the D to a 0.1. Save and close. Nope, wasn't quite enough, so I right click, go back to edit, center mark style. And this time I'm going to go to a 0.09. Save and close. And I kind of already knew that was the answer, but I wanted to show you that sometimes it just takes a little bit of trial and error to get that spacing correct so you get the break you want. You don't want to jump to a crazy number and have weird dashes there. So that is how you put center lines in that view.